business is very challenging, but let me assure you, it is absolutely worth it. Here is why. Flexibility and work-life balance. Starting a business demands time and effort, but it also presents the opportunity for a better work-life balance in a very long run. You gain the flexibility to set your own schedule, ensuring that you can prioritize both your personal and business commitments. Building relationships, I love this. Running a business opens doors to create meaningful connections with customers, employees, suppliers, and many other entrepreneurs. These connections can lead to collaborations, partnerships, and mentorships, enriching not only your business but also your personal growth, legacy, and a long-term stability. Building a successful business extends beyond the present moment. It allows you to create a lasting legacy and really provides long-term stability for yourself and, of course, your family, and becomes a foundation for generational wealth, ensuring financial security for future generations. So everyone, brace yourself for the challenges that lie ahead, because the rewards that come with owning a business are immeasurable.